Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a treble crochet. It's a really fun stitch that you can use to give any of your patterns more height fairly quickly. So let's go ahead and get started. You want to chain any multiples that you wish. For this tutorial, I'm just doing a quick 15 chains. Alright, now that we have our chain foundation, you want to go ahead and chain 2 extra stitches. So 1, 2, and in the third chain from the hook, you want to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 3 loops. All right, let's see that again. We're going to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through once, so you have 3 loops, pull through again, you got 2 loops, pull through again, you have 1 loop. So it's a 3, 2, 1. So 3, 2, 1, yarn over, insert your hook, 3, 2, 1, and we'll do this all the way to the end of the row. Here we are at the last stitch, so yarn over, insert your hook, 3 loops, 2 loops, 1 loop, and go ahead and turn your work. Now you'll have an option. For this tutorial, I chain up 2, but you can also chain up 3. I just think 2 gives it a little better look. So here we go. We're gonna chain up 1, 2, yarn over, and through both little loops, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. So yarn over, 1, 2, 3. And we'll do this again all the way to the end of the row. And this is how you do the basic treble crochet. It's actually not nearly as complicated as it sounds. So 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And let me know down in the comments what type of project you're doing. Have a happy crochet day.